Welcome everyone to the Amoolah Keto and Low Carb channel. Today I'll be making my favorite gluten-free, sugar-free cookies, perfect for the upcoming festive season. So straight into the ingredients. Here I have 2 cups of lupin flour, which I toasted slightly. Then I added a dash of salt and baking powder. Lupin flour can be found on Amazon and Morrison's. Then I'm going to add brown butter. I made this at home. I used 3/4 cup of butter, which I browned for around 5 minutes. This is when you cook the butter a tiny bit past melting point. In a mixer, I'm going to now place the lupin flour. Remember to lightly toast the lupin flour. That's the secret to the melting mouth texture of our cookies. To that, you're going to add 1/2 cup of your favorite powder ketone low carb sugar and mix. And then we're going to add the browned butter slowly. We want a thick consistencies for our cookies. After adding the brown butter and mixing, this is the consistency that we want for our cookies. Nice and thick and what we can work with. So I'm going to weigh out my cookies so I can make sure they're the same size. You can of course shape your cookies like you want, but I'm going to use these fun stamps which I found on Amazon. They're really easy to use and they make great shapes. Then place into the oven at 140 degrees for around 15 minutes. Our sugar-free, gluten-free, keto and low-carb cookies are now ready. Allow them to cool down and then you can store them in a metal tin. Try it out and let me know. Enjoy, and until next time.